Luciano ku do mi apo agbelemenu ku na mi apanlawo won do le ve imenami tata pete mi aba hoji anu emeni famia mia ni wo mi le de fafa ajielo echi fanu echi ajo Luciano mi hojo je chi la chi abochi mi aba ho anu lo
Akpe na chami ga chenje lebe do atiwe we ye ede emi ayi wona oji ezie goto America oji wele no me mi abete mi nyoreka mi abete mi nyotungbe anozime ya ka America ku anome Macho Mokoko ya yo Miss Lukusi 2019 Vivienne Kulu whenever they ezimena la fiami na gbe ona toke iya yes you pass pele ne ni pass pele ko pe no vi ga je ni eto do motorika enu la nyuie ma gora mu
I'm highly honored to be called to introduce the chairman for today's program. Our chairman for this important occasion has a very envious and impressive CV. If I have to go through it all, we cannot start the debate today, so I will attempt to summarize it. He attended Harvard EP Primary and Middle School, then proceeded to Panto Secondary School. Our chairman obtained BCom and Diploma in Education from University of Cape Coast. He also holds a Master in Finance from the Business School of the University of Ghana. He is a chartered accountant, a finance and investment consultant. Our chairman previously worked as